Hi ladies and gents, welcome back to my channel. Alright, I hope everybody's having a great day. Now today I wanted to share with you guys this little insert. Okay, this is a little insert that actually goes in the coral pink jewelry box. Now I have made a video on this jewelry box. Now this is part 2 because this is the inside top little lidded container that sits as the top layer. Now in this, okay, is where you have your little slots. There's a couple of slots for rings and charms, and I will open the lid to show you. But this whole video is about, because, well, let's start with the jewelry box itself. When you open it, there are little tabs that are underneath this ribbon. Now, the little tabs were constantly, I always have to keep an eye out because I don't want them getting caught in the zipper. And the other morning, I was just drinking my coffee and I had an idea. So what I decided to do to prevent that, or to prevent the little tabs from getting stuck in the zipper, is I took the 2 ribbons that are attached to the Pandora gift bag. Now I did cut them up right at the edge, and I actually found some double-sided tape that I had in the drawer, and I was able to connect the 2 pieces and wrap the ribbon around the top lid of this little box, or tier, or whatever you want to call it. And by doing this, it also helps because sometimes it's hard to actually grasp these little tabs and pull. So I came up with this little solution. So I just put the ribbon underneath, because I never took off the plastic that's on top of the mirror, because quite honestly, I don't do the earrings, so I never saw really a purpose to having a mirror, unless you want to check out your rings, or put your bracelet next to your face. And I mean, I don't see the use for it. So what I decided to do is just wrap it around. So for now, when I do open it, all I need to do is just go underneath and just pull. Now, the lid is so well fitted inside that when I actually pull this, I can actually pull the whole container out of the jewelry box. Okay, no more trying to grasp the teeny weeny little, here, I want to show you these things here, these pull tabs. They are very annoying. I wish they would have just given us some type of, those little things that you would get, that you would attach behind your cell phone. It's like a little finger clip. You put your finger in there and it holds your phone. Well, that would have been brilliant to put on here. So I'll show you the underneath. So the underneath is quite simple, and I do apologize, you have the light right above, but the double-sided tape is just under here. Okay, and then I just tied a bow. Now if I would have had a longer piece of ribbon, I would have actually wrapped it like a present, like to have one here and here, like a typical Christmas present or birthday present. So that is my solution to that problem, and it just closes perfectly, just like that. Again, and I can actually lift the whole little box. You know what I mean? So that's a trick, because I did find that they put those tabs on every jewelry box that Pandora makes, and it does get a little bit of a problem. So I would do that with these, And also the suede boxes, I was actually thinking of just getting 3 ribbons, thin but a little bit wide. So like that I can just grab the ribbon and pull the little layer, or the little layer inside, and pull it out. Okay, so like that you don't have to go inside and pinch the little tabs and then yank it out. It's just a little bit annoying and cumbersome. So this is my solution to that. And this way I can just drop this back in the jewelry box and close the lid and not think twice about, oh my God, did I just zip up the little tabs in the zipper? Oh dear. Because once you get that stuck in the zipper, good luck. The tabs are ruined, and then how are you going to lift this little box out of there, right? Or another option is, again, to get the larger ribbon, or longer, and actually have it go from underneath instead of just the lid. And then you could just do like you're opening a present and just pull the bow and then open your little container. Right? So that is a very short video, and it's just a little tip that I wanted to share with you guys because I saw a use for it. So I'm sure somebody else will see a use for this as well. All right? So nice, sweet, short. If you like this video, click like. If you wish to subscribe, I would adore it. And if you have any questions or comments, don't hesitate. All right. Have a great rest of your day. Thank you for watching.